Have you ever been told sing from your diaphragm, but nobody really explained how to do it? Maybe you've tried pushing harder, taking huge breaths, tightening your stomach, but somehow your voice still feels tired, weak, or strained. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your diaphragm and use it while singing. No complicated exercises, no complicated theories, just simple tests that you can do right now. And stay until the end because I'm going to be giving you a 30-second diaphragm challenge that can prove if you're using proper breath support or not. First, let's clear out a common misunderstanding. You cannot literally sing from your diaphragm. Your diaphragm is that muscle that is located underneath your lungs. What it does is that it helps you breathe. It does not produce the sound, okay? Your vocal cords produce the sound. So when we tell you sing from your diaphragm, it's not literal. It doesn't mean that the sound comes from there. It only helps you breathe while your vocal cords produce the sound. The diaphragm helps control the airflow that powers your voice. Now think of it like this. Your voice is a car. Your vocal cords are the engine. Your breath is the fuel. And then your diaphragm is the driver that helps control how that fuel is going to be used. Most singers struggle not because they can't sing, but because they are wasting too much air. Now let's do a quick experiment. Let's find your diaphragm. Place one hand on your chest and then place the other on your stomach. Now what you're going to do is that you're going to laugh gently, okay? Ha ha ha. Okay, let's go. Your one hand on your chest, the other on your stomach. Let's go. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. You notice that movement? Did you feel that pressure? Now cough gently. Same. Placing your one hand on your chest and then your other hand on your stomach. Cough gently. You feel that movement? And did you feel that pressure? Now that's where your diaphragm is, and that's where diaphragm control comes from. The reason laughter sounds powerful and effortless is because your body naturally engages in breath support. Now, this is my favorite exercise because almost everybody can understand it. Now, imagine that your stomach is a balloon, okay? Now, when you inhale, the balloon expands. Then, when you exhale, the balloon slowly deflates. So, try this. Take a silent breath deep in through your nose, okay? Now, while you breathe in, do not raise your shoulders, do not lift your shoulders, okay? And make sure that your stomach is expanding. Now, while you breathe out, I want you to breathe out on a sound, okay? Now, make sure you try as much as possible to hold that as steadily as possible. If you quickly run out of breath while making the sound, then that means you're not making use of breath control properly. But if you can hold that steadily for a while, then that means that you're making good use of your breath control. Now let's connect this to actual singing. Choose a simple note like ah and then sing it steadily. Focus on keeping the air steady. Now, while you are doing this, if your voice shakes, then that means you're not using proper breath support. Imagine you're letting air out of a balloon. That's how steady it should be. So, if you didn't get it, try again. This time around, try to engage your stomach area more. Ready for the challenge? Now take a comfortable breath, okay? And then release on a s. Now what I want you to do is that I want you to time yourself, okay? For beginners, let's say you'll be able to last for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then if you're a bit advanced, then you can last for at least 30 seconds. Now let's try it. Time yourself, okay? Now take a deep breath in, okay? And then release on a s. If you reach 30 seconds or more with a steady breath, then you're improving. Drop your results in the comments. I want to see who gets the highest score. Let's go again. Many singers think that breath support is about pushing harder. No, you don't push harder. What you need to do is to control your breath. Now, the goal isn't to use too much air, the goal is to control how much air you use. Here's a practical exercise you probably haven't tried before. Now, lie down flat on your back, okay? Then you place a light book, on your stomach. Now, take a deep breath. The book should rise slowly, okay? Now, release the air gently, okay? Now, this time around, the book should lower back down, okay? So this exercise teaches you what efficient breathing is without actually overthinking it. Many singers discover for the first time that they've been breathing through their chest instead of their lower torso. If this video helped you understand what diaphragmatic singing is, then please do well to click on the like button, share this to other singers, and then comment. Let me know in the comment section what did you gain from this video and what questions do you have? What would you like me to discuss in the next video? See you guys in the next video. Bye.